video. It is an unboxing and a review at the same time. Ordered on Prime, and guess what we got? Prime Day. Yes, we did. We got the Apple AirPod Max wireless over-the-ear headphones. Yes. Could not beat it. 28% off. Definitely was a buy. So cute. Look at them. We bought them in pink, which also looks coral for some reason, but whatever. The muffs are pink, the ear muffs. It comes in this here pretty coral looking smart case, and this smart case preserves the battery and puts the AirPod Maxes in a low power mode. So pretty good. Now this battery on this here headphones lasts for 20 hours. 20 hours of talking and listening, looking at movies. It also has a special audio surround sound with cinema quality. And you know what's crazy? These headphones, if you just charge them for 5 minutes, it can provide you with 1.5 hours of listening time. Bananas. I tell you, bananas. But yeah, these are really a buy, I'm telling you. My daughter loves them. This is for her. This was a gift for her. So yeah, these things are really, these headphones are cool. Let me tell you some more about these headphones, okay? Not only are they cute, but it can give you transparency and noise cancellation. So you will see the control settings where you can have noise control off, on transparency mode, or where you can hear your surroundings. So they're adjustable. Now she has them on her head so you can see what they look like. This is what they look like on her head. And they fit her head perfectly. She said that the ear muffs are not too tight on her ear, but just right. She's pairing it with the phone. All you got to do is sit it next to it and voila, it is connected. They also have these digital crown, which is that button she's touching right there. And that button you can use to increase or decrease the volume. And what's crazy about that button is that you can customize it to fit your needs. So if you want it to go left to right, right to left, that's what you can do with that button, so that you can be able to turn up the volume or lower the volume. You can also answer a call with that button, put it on mute or unmute. You can skip forward on your tracks or, your music, or skip back. And you can also press and hold it to get to Siri. Now, the noise control button, also known as the power button, can be used to switch between an active noise or for noise cancellation, and transparency mode. So what I like about transparency mode is if she's walking in the streets of New York, she can still hear her surroundings like sirens or commotion or me calling her. And when she's not in the streets, she have her noise cancellation on, and that blocks out all noises, putting her sound at its highest. So she don't have to hear my 80s R&B. You know what I'm saying? So let's check out how this is sounding. So these headphones muffs come off, as you see, come off for easy cleaning, and you can pop them back in. Check this out. Some kind of magnetic attachment. It just goes right in. Check it. Look. Well, there you have it. Apple AirPod Max wireless over-the-ear headphones. A great buy. My daughter loves them. If you haven't went out and bought them, think about it. It's a great buy. There you have it. 5 stars. Please, if you have not already, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to rebuild it. Been away for a while, but I am back. So here we go. We're going to do some reviews. We're going to do some talking. We're going to try to have some fun. All right. Look forward to my reviews. I look forward to seeing you.